what I've started doing is if you just follow the process and stop following up on certain people that you've already spoken with, that
Mm-hmm.
you know that you have a chance to close,
Yep.
they'll call you when they're ready.
Yep. And then you've got Danielle, you bring up something so huge here because, like you said, you're just focused on the process. So I know I'm going to put it in my process that I don't know where this deal's at. And let's say my process says I'm going to call you in 2 weeks or I'm going to call you in 1 month, right? And I just trust my process. When you're ready, if you're ready ahead of that time, you call me. The other thing that ends up happening, to Rich's point, now I just freed myself to I'm unburdened. I'm unburdened by worrying like, should I call you? Should I not call you? I'm just trusting the process, and that allows me to get more deals done in more time. It's amazing, guys. If you don't have a process and you're just kind of going off of your gut and you're like, these guys are hot, this deal's gonna close, or these guys are losers, they don't have any money. When you go off your gut, you're wrong, like all the time. More often than not, we're wrong. And I'm not saying it's because we're not good judges of character. I'm saying it's because we're salespeople. And like, we're like the degenerate gamblers of business. And we're so emotionally caught up in these deals that when we don't have a process, we let our emotions take over. And where your emotions will trick you in sales is typically the people that are most interested, and to Danielle's point, the ones that will end up calling you and you're like shocked, they're the most conservative, they're the most calm. You're like, they're not interested. And it's the one that's answering all of your questions. It's like, oh yeah. That is literally just trying to get your pricing so they can go to your other vendor, right? It's weird, but the marketplace will play tricks on us. So the only way to combat that is to just have a process and be like, I called Danielle today. I'm not going to call her for 14 more days or whatever your process is. I'm not reading her voice. I'm not going to a freaking tarot card reader after that call. I'm not looking at the weather. I'm not rubbing crystals on my desk to figure out, should I call her, should I not call her? I'm just working my process. And if you find your process breaks over and over again, then you just fix your process, right? Great point, Danielle. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University Sales Coaching. If you like this video, I think I'm about to become your new best friend because I want to cover the cost for you to get the closing mini masterclass. The $299, I'm paying for it for you. It's free for you. Click the link somewhere around here or simply comment with the word closer. I'll cover the $299. You'll get the closing mini masterclass, make a lot more money, and I'll be your new best friend. I'll see you over in the closing masterclass.